What's happening, people? It's maintenance time for my second gen Tacoma, and right now we're gonna go through and change the cabin air filter. Very easy, very simple, so just follow along and I'll help you do yours too. We are home with the parts. As you can see, I didn't go OEM because the Toyota dealership's way on the other side of town, but this is the Fram part number. What we're gonna do now is drop the glove box and squeeze it just a little bit on each side here till it falls and give it a yoink. It should come out of its hinge back here, just like that. And this is where we're looking to get into to replace the cabin air filter. It's this little door right here. So what you're gonna wanna do is just pull down on this tab and pop it open a little bit. Do that one too, and it should come right out like that. As you can see, I don't think mine's ever been done before, so it is absolutely disgusting. So we'll pull this out and then we'll swap it with the clean one. Look at that. Ooh, that's terrible. Just as a preventative measure, I'm also gonna go ahead and vacuum out the slot where the fan motor is inside of here, as you can see, because there's still a little bit of debris and dirt. So I figured while I'm in here, I might as well take care of that, because you know, it never hurts to really clean it up, especially with these Toyota fan motors. They're notorious for blowing resistors. So we'll take care of that right now. Now that this is all tidied up, let's go ahead and tear into the new filter. Much better compared to this. What? Look at that crap. Big difference. You can see on the new filter there's a airflow arrow, and since the blower motor is on the bottom, we're gonna flip it upside down and make sure that it's pointing up. And what we'll do is we'll just slide this into here like that, and just close this up, pop it in, and that's it. Just looking back at my OEM filter, you can see it's way thicker than the aftermarket Fram one. I don't think it's gonna be an issue, but it fits in here fine for now, so I'm gonna run it because I don't want to run across town to Canadian Tire again to replace it. So we'll call it good for now. If I have any issues with it, I'll replace it, but honestly, it's just a cabin air filter. It's not like my engine's gonna blow up because of it. Anyways, to continue on, we'll dump everything out of the glove box. We'll reclip these back here. All right. And then we'll place this hinge piston back on, and then we'll close it up. All right, everything's back together here. Got my USB cables tucked away. It's in the hinge nice and good. Everything's replaced back into the glove box. So we'll just close it up, and we'll just make sure that our fan still works here. Yes, it does. No problem. There you go. Super, super easy preventative maintenance to do on your truck. Honestly, it's probably one of the more forgotten about things to do in terms of maintenance on any vehicle, really. As you could see, like my OEM filter was filthy. So I'm really, really glad to have that replaced, so that way I'm not breathing in all that crap that's blowing through my vents. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.